You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what it means, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. Say you're my end and my beginning, 'cause even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all. You give me all of you. I give you all of me, yeah. And you give me all of you, yeah. I give you all of me, yeah.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Yeah, so Demetri, I don't know why you chose that song. We don't even like it in audition. So for this first show, it wasn't the best song choice, in my opinion, to show yourself to Jamaica. You can sing, and there's something about your energy as well, as you could have seen from your postcard, but it just probably wasn't the best song for you tonight.
Anthony.
Also didn't like the song. I just, it's one of those songs I just really just don't want to hear. I found it kind of like for first night, it was kind of like a little too low key. Just you have to kind of make a little bit more of an impact from the word go. But there was a kind of like a little vulnerability you were showing that was nice. There was something kind of soft, and how you played with the notes. That was pleasant. It was nice. I'm interested to see what you'll do after this.
Alaine.
Yes, I share that feeling about the song choice. However, what a beautiful voice you have. You can really sing. You can make people body full up with goose pimple and all these things. Demetri, I look forward to hearing you sing, because you sang reggae for us in the audition, and I remember you lit the place afire. So the thing is that you have so much in you, so I'm just looking forward for Jamaica to vote for you, because you are a true star. You just need the right songs and you will shine. There's no doubt in my mind.
Thanks, judges.